Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from ThruNite. Now this here is their T1. Sample I have here is Desert Tan, also in cool white. Comes in this box. Now I was sent this directly from ThruNite. They are having a special flash sale, so I wanted to get this out before that flash sale is done. Now it did take a little longer to get to me through their Amazon store, so that was a little bit of a delay here. So let's get this open and see what's in. Now I've done a T1 review before. Comes with multi-languages, and this is just to screw down the body on the head. That way you get good contact. They unscrew it on purpose so the battery won't drain during shipment or storage. Get this stuff out from inside here. You have a user manual, multi-language as well. Go ahead and take a look at the specs here. And as you can see there, and hopefully my camera will be picking that up, but as you can see, that's 1500 lumens on turbo. Now if you need more time to read these, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise we're going to move along here. Now that I've got it folded on the right one, language that is, I'll go ahead and take the rest of this out. Here's a ThruNite thank you card, hoping that you like their products. Got one lanyard and looks like one O-ring. And we've got USB charging cable, one clip. So now let's go ahead and move on to the light. There it is. Now this color looks really nice. Charging port here. A little bit of heat sinking here, and it is pretty deep, especially for the size of light. I'm going to bring out the previous one that I had done a review on. You can table stand that if you need. And that's what the original one looks like here. Really like the all one color on this body. Looks good. Magnets on the tail, of course, always comes in handy. The battery is in it. It's very strong, easily hold its own weight. Feel comfortable putting that on a metal surface without fear of falling. Get my camera to adjust here. There we go. Now the style and design on this is excellent. I'm liking the all one color a little bit better than black, especially with the gray bezel on the other one. This one definitely looks nicer. And the machining and finish on this is excellent. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP 50.2 LED. It's got a shallow reflector. It's going to be real floody. Not a speck of dust in there. Good quality control. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take it apart. Show you the insides. Battery out there. The magnet holds onto it pretty tight there. Spring down inside, pretty heavy duty. Straight contact point on the head. Got all the drivers there. Now the battery that comes with it is a 18350 1100 milliamp. As you can see here, this is an 18350 1100 milliamp. This is a protected cell. Should give you plenty of power to run this tiny little powerhouse. And we'll get it all back together. There is a little bit of grease on the O-ring, but that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. Now let's go over the UI. UI is really easy on this. The ramping feature is a huge plus in my opinion. I have yet to come across anybody that didn't like the ramping. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. That'll come on that level automatically. And if you click it, it'll turn off. Now if you press and hold from off, it'll go to moonlight. It's the lowest level there. I believe that's under a lumen. When I turn it off, that's a hidden mode, so we're going to go ahead and click the light back on. So now with the light on, you can go ahead and press and hold, and it'll ramp up. That's on high, a lot of lumens. See here, centralized hotspot there, but it's real, not super intense, so it's got a lot of bleeding to the spill, as you can see. No sharp cutoff, just fades off. And then if you want to at any time, you can double click to get turbo. 1500 lumens. A lot of light. Click it one time, shuts it off. Now if you do want to turn it back on, it does have memory mode. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and lower it back down, and I'll show you. There is a battery level indicator here, as you can see, that will turn red, start to blink when your battery is critically low. This light will also not operate on the higher outputs, so you know to go ahead and charge it. Then of course, if you want to get strobe, you can triple click at any level of the light, and that is a steady speed on the flash, and that is distracting. Now if you click the button, it'll shut it off, but if you press and hold, it'll go back to the last light output that we had it on, and we're back to the regular UI. Really super easy to use on this light. Really compact, easily fits in the palm of your hand. And it just looks great doing its stuff. Alright, so let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThruNite T1 Desert Tan. We're going to do the night shots here again on this one. I've done night shots before on the previous black model, but wouldn't do it here. Let's see how it does. Turn it on there. That's not the lowest level, but it is the lowest on the regular UI. I'll show you moonlight on this pole here. You see it barely lights it up. That's 10 feet from where I'm standing. So, yeah, it's been raining here, so a lot of mud down in my normal spot that I stay in. So, just letting you guys know. Now, turn it back up to the regular UI, and that water spout is 35 feet from where I'm standing. There it is on the fence. Kind of see an idea there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and ramp it up here just a little bit. See how it does. Just a little bit. See how wide the spill area is. Up over my hand. Huge spill area on this lights. Reflector is very shallow, so that's why. We'll show it over here. See how it does there. See the range on it there. We'll raise it up here a little bit more. See how it does. Go back up. There's the hot spot, but this is definitely more floody. And it is faintly making the tree of life, so that's impressive. All from this little tiny light, size of your thumb. 65 feet to that tree there. I'm going to ramp it up here on high. See how it does. That's the highest in the UI. That is high. 138 feet to that tree of life. And just a huge spill area way out past my hand. Great. And this one looks great. Really like the tan. Alright, let's try turbo here. Let's see how it does. Look at that. Come over here, we'll do a before and after here. Look at that. Bugs are going wild out here. Raining out here earlier. So it's been pretty amazing. Do a rounded profile. Excellent performance. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing is an incredible, very compact floodlight. It does have a little bit of a hot spot there, so it's giving you a little bit of a throw, but it's mostly flood, and it's about the size of your thumb. So that's pretty amazing, just the amount of power that this thing has, and the build quality on this is excellent. The color is definitely a big factor here. I do like it over the black and the gray. Now if this had maybe been all black, might have been in competition, but definitely this looks better. Same design, same everything, but color does influence the eye. So let me put the clip on here before we end this video. Now this is a two-way clip. It's easy to put on here. Have it on here any way you want. As you see there, two-way clip. Have it on there. Put it on there. You can wear it on a baseball cap. Now I want to thank ThruNite for sending me this to review. Now because they are having a special flash sale on their website, remember this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this box. Get you started outside the box. They are having this flash sale from May 15th to May 22nd. So if you are interested in getting this, I'll leave a link down in the description, including the special discount's going to save you 35% off this light, including some bundle as well. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these ThruNite products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.